We did well yesterday.
Yeah.
If you haven't already watched it, 30-minute family fishing challenge. On the Pelco barra spoon, planer, big golden trevally. You haven't watched it already?
Daddy,
Have a watch.
Whoa.
Here he is. Hello, mister. Alright, here we are. So the mackerel we caught earlier, we've just taken some fillets off it there. And we've got some breadcrumbs for the kids. You know what? I reckon just breadcrumb the whole lot.
Yeah.
Let's just breadcrumb the whole lot. And then we've got wasabi here.
Yeah.
We were going to do a bit of sashimi, but I don't know. You know what? I feel like let's take out the vinegar and the lime. No sashimi. Crumbed fish.
Yeah.
With a bit of wasabi for some bite. And look at our surroundings. Look at this. Wow. Can't complain with that, and the kids are having a good time as well, so hope you can see that. Level camera. Very good. Alright, let's throw some crumbs on here. The barbie's been going for a little bit, so we're good to go. Little sprinkle. Look, I've even left the skin on this for this time. My knife is going a little bit blunt, so we're gonna crumb the flesh side. And then once it's cooked, we can peel the crumbs off, the skin off, sorry. And when we turn it over, reveal the crumb side, and the kids won't even know. They'll be happy. Oh, beautiful. That's good. Enough crumbs for one more day. If we decide to stay here for one more day, I'm just going to spray. I've already sprayed that one. I'm just going to spray the fish. Get a bit of oil. Very good. Very good. How are you, mate? You good?
Good, buddy.
You guys having a good time? Get a few more crumbs on there. I'm just getting some more bushman, some more rid on the kids. Alright, that's looking pretty good. That's enough. Don't need to be too fancy. Have a look where we are. There's nothing fancy about this, but I tell you what, getting back to nature, it is so good for the soul. Absolutely so good for the soul. Alright, let's hear some sizzle. I'm going to go skin side first. Let's hear that sizzle. How good is the sizzle? The shizzle snizzle. Come on there, beautiful. Oh yeah, this is going to be so good. Again, we've worked hard for this meal. It's not even lunchtime. What's the time?
It is, gosh,
11 o'clock or something?
It's, yeah.
11 o'clock?
11.
I mean, who's keeping time? Not us, but it's, you know, I'm just curious. Alright, 11. So we caught this fish this morning. You'll see it on this video. We caught it this morning at, it was a low tide change, so we, you know, which was what? 7:30, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, around 8
So it's only a couple of hours later.
Yeah.
It's as fresh as you get.
Exactly.
That's good. That's all good there. Now we'll just wait for this to cook. Wow, here we have it. We have crumbed fish, wasabi for me and Em. Hey Em, is this good? This is good, right? This is good. Hey kids, who's hungry? You guys are hungry? Awesome, we're hungry too. Lunch is served.
Let's eat.
Welcome to the beach restaurant. Alright, watch out for the knife.
Yeah.
Alright kids. Alright, fish fingers. Daddy's going to cut up for you kids, alright? Just give me a second. Alright?
I don't want them cut up. Just cut some for Jessie.
Alright, we'll cut Jessie some little pieces. Okay.
I might eat some of Jessie's too.
That's fine, of course.
Smart.
I mean, look, we've been, you know, our last meal was last night. We ate all that trevally.
Yeah.
So we're all a little bit hungry, which is good. Alright, do you want some soy sauce? Alright, very cool. I'll go get it. Alright, Let's try. Fresh mackerel, a light crumb, beach barbecue, bit of wasabi. Let's have a go of this. This looks so good and I'm so hungry. Mmm. Oh. Wow. Oh yeah.
Can I please have some wasabi?
You can. A bit of zing, doesn't it? Mm. Oh yeah. This is so good.
So good.
So good. We've done so good, guys. You eat it, mate. That's yours. You can eat it.
I'll have that.
You can eat it. Mummy will have it if you don't. Oh. Day 2, living off the ocean. I'm so proud of us, guys. We've done so good so far.
We have.
Oh.
Oh my god, this is so good.
It's delicious, isn't it? Far out. Want some more wasabi?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Hey, look at me eating it.
Good girl.
I know you are.
How good is it?
Super good.
Super good.
We don't have any other choice.
It is this much good.
That's right. See what happens? Hey? Isn't the mind a funny thing? Yeah. Hey, with no luxuries of home.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
You've got to eat to survive. It is what it is. Otherwise, we're going. Oh, so good. Oh, I feel like we've gone to heaven and come back again. Delicious.
Oh, that wasabi was not.
Oh, so good. Wasabi, fresh mackerel, crumbed. The kids have got a bit of soy sauce. They're happy too.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the only sauce we brought. We didn't bring any tomato sauce. I love tomato sauce, but it's alright. Oh,
You want that bit? I'll have that.
Mummy, you do it. You do it. Yep. Let's see. Wasabi, fresh mackerel, lightly crumbed. Yum. Impeccable, right? I know one thing for sure. None of this is going to go to waste.
We're screaming if anything falls on the ground.
Oh no.
Oh.
Alright. Mister, you want some more, mate? Want some of this? Yes, please. Good boy.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah?
You like some soy
We
sauce?
already dropped 2 pieces on the ground.
No, I didn't. There's a little piece there.
Yeah,
That's the secret last piece.
that's
Mate?
has seen on
Good
it.
Dig
boy.
in, buddy.
That has
Oh,
You're
seen
gonna
on
dip it?
it.
You're gonna dip it?
Oh, is that sand?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this,
Oh,
Daddy.
I'm
look,
eating it.
there's
I'm
How is
eating
it,
it.
mister? How is it?
Uncle.
Good?
Don't know what.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely
Good
sand.
man.
That was sand.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it crunching. Oh,
I don't
Daddy.
even care right now.
Oh, Daddy.
It's fine.
We're not letting anything to go to waste.
That's fine. A bit of sand never hurt anyone.
This
Awesome.
is wasting every single piece.
You're just giving it
Eat
to
it,
me.
mate. Eat it, mate.
Eat it now.
Dip it in the sauce, buddy.
Give
Make
it
sure
to
you
me,
eat it.
Jesse.
You're nice and full? You're nice and full?
Give some to me.
Mate,
He's
you're
not
nice and
even
full?
eating it, so it's definitely.
I know.
He'll share it with you.
I know.
Good boy.
Well, this is awesome. This is awesome. I just hope that you guys are enjoying this as much as us. You know, we're just stoked that our whole idea was just to bring you guys along. We enjoy it so much. It's just so good for the soul. You know, if you get any chance you get, just go for a walk. Go for a walk in nature. It can be a walk through your local park or anything. It's so good for you guys. You know, and it's so good for us. We just love it. And you know, thank you for watching, and please, you know, as always, please subscribe to our channel. It definitely helps. And enjoy. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. It's not even lunchtime yet. We've got a mangrove explore coming up just over the dune there. There's a beautiful inlet, beautiful, gorgeous inlet. We're going to show you guys, and then you're going to be coming along with me after we do that. I'm going to go on a solo fishing mission. I do want one more mackerel, at least for dinner. 2 would be great. We can do a shark fish tonight off the boat while we're sleeping. Or we're getting ready to sleep. I might even do an inshore marlin troll. We'll see how we go. We'll see you soon.